That's an elephant tranquilizer.
And that's leading to more overdose-related deaths across the state. Fentanyl is the culprit, and more people are dying across the country.
Illinois experts are trying to change that trend. WCIA3's Cole Henke is live in our Capitol newsroom. Cole, you talked to experts today who are trying to get people the help they need.
That's right. 5 years ago, most of the opioid overdoses were coming from people who were addicted to prescription medications. But now that trend has changed. Fentanyl has become the leading causes of these types of death. And experts say the key to saving people is letting them know that help is available and then encouraging them to ask for it. Justin Grant has been clean for 11 months, but he knows he could have easily been one of the thousands who die every year from overdosing.
Whenever I was into it, I actually wanted it. You wanted something stronger. You were constantly chasing something that you could never reach. And by the time you do reach it, you're going to die.
After years of attempting to curb the wave of overdose-related deaths, state numbers are rising, increasing 33% from 2019 to 2020. Sangamon County alone increased by 39% in that time.
And the common denominator with our accidental overdoses is fentanyl.
Experts say people who use sometimes don't even know fentanyl is in the drugs they are taking.
It's not fair. These people, they have an addiction, and it's a horrible addiction. And they're, like you said, they're not signing up to die. They're just signing up to use, as they've done several times before. But it's that one time. It's that one time they get something that's got fentanyl or carfentanil in it.
So how do you address the problem? That part has remained the same.
And so first is educating the patient. Second is making sure that every patient that presents to us receive Narcan.
Dr. Dana Ray works at Crossing Health in Decatur. She says the first step is eliminating the stigma around drug use.
If you make people feel like there is a moral failing with them, then they're not going to necessarily seek help. We need to always have the door open so that people feel comfortable receiving help.
From there, Grant says it's about making sure people know there are resources available, including treatment programs and medications. Also, making sure they are welcomed before finding that bad batch.
I wish everybody would go through a 12-step program, not just addicts, because it's not even just about, the steps aren't even about, getting off of drugs necessarily. It's about changing your whole life, your thinking, the way you act, the way you treat people, the way you treat yourself.
Now, Sangamon County Coroner Jim Allman told me that the county has already recorded 18 fentanyl-related overdose deaths this year. And if that trend continues, the county will have another record high this year. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Henke, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Cole, thank you so much. The governor launched a new program yesterday to fight against overdoses. There's also a plan in the Capitol that would let pharmacists distribute fentanyl testing strips. They can be used to test for trace amounts of the drug so people know what they're taking.